What's up, TIs? The fuck you staring at? I'm having a choking thing. Fucking kidding? Mind your fucking business. Fucking douchebag brother family. Like they never heard anybody cough. Are you fucking kidding? So, like they turn around like they never heard anybody cough. It happened to be loud. Do you mind? Jeez, everybody's fucking annoying. My fucking asthma hurt. It's killing me right now. So do you mind? I had a cough. How come when I do something, somebody always got to stare? Anyways, September 14, 2024. I had the wrong date before. Oh, I drink so much water when I get back. So, Thursday. So yeah, those people are blocking the steps there. Those are my new neighbors. Isn't that fun? And Thursday, I was taking my garbage out. And instead of blocking the driveway where they live, they decided to park their car in front of 2 doors down from me to the right, where I'm sitting. So they had to walk all the way over there to the house that just got, sold to be rented. Like, wouldn't it be easier to park the car in front of the house and, I don't know, put it on park? Like, why are they going out of their way? Because they saw me coming out. They could have stopped there because you go straight down from the top of the block there to come down the block. So all they had to do was stop in front of their house that they're renting. They chose to go that way. I'm tired of this shit. That's what I'm yawning right now. So they went out of their way just so they could synchronize with me taking my garbage out. And the smirks I got on their face, I wanted to punch them. But I can't because I don't want to go to jail. I was like, really, bitch? I didn't stay out because other stuff was going on, so I didn't stay out. I just went back to the house. That's why I'm out here now during the day. I'm probably not going to come out outside tomorrow night. I definitely should have brought water with me because now I'm like choking on my own spit from coughing. And the guy next to me was doing that the whole fucking time I was sitting there. Like he was drinking water. I think maybe he was having to do weapons hit him or something. I don't know. The only perp that came around was Go Boy, red and black shirt, red shirt, black pants. Like he was looking around to see if I was gonna turn around. Hope you liked my shirt today. Second time I wore this shirt and nobody saw it, but at least he saw it. He could say something to the handler, Ned Flanders. He got to see my shirt. Well, he got to see my hat and my purse. I don't know if he saw my shirt. But the workers did. One of them was like, "I like your shirt." I'm like, "Thanks." So it has a squirrel driving a car and it says, "I'm here to drive everybody nuts." Or you nuts. I'm here to drive you nuts. And Goat Boy took offense to that. It's a fucking shirt. It's funny as fuck, though. Anyways, a lot of people will take offense to this type of shirt. Oh well, grow up. That's all I gotta say to you. So there wasn't really many perps that came in. And I already saw more fire trucks, ambulances. There was an ambulance across the street where that car was that had one headlight on the other side of the street. For like 10 minutes it was there with the lights on. I don't know if somebody called because they didn't feel good, but they didn't get taken into the ambulance. So it's probably street theater. The honking. As soon as I left, it was honking. And this lady was just standing there Like, I don't know, she was texting somebody with a Target bag. Everybody's wearing a orange highlighter clothes. Nice, nice hat there. Look at him. He hastily put the hat on. It's not even in, his ponytail's not even in the hat. It's like all crooked. I mean, and he's putting his pants up like that. He probably just woke up. He's looking back. That's right. He just woke up. And he had to come here. But they stay home. So, I don't know, Voodoo Smurf didn't show up at all. Very, very strange. I'm sure he'll show up later. And I'll probably see him on camera, or I'll see him right before I go in, when I stop recording. He needs to do more. Now, if he's ever stupid enough to do something crazy, when I get to Dunkin', like actually acting out and stuff, then I'll report him for stealing that bike. I'm not doing it until he does something. Because they're always going to fuck up eventually, so we'll just say that. The more you ignore them, the more they're going to fuck up. They're going to be crazy. They're going to start cursing you out. Good. Let everybody else see how crazy they really are. My neighbors are nosy. Was it Thursday? My cleaning lady came. And she's clocking out. We're just standing here in the driveway. And she's a lady across the street. I've never seen her come out ever. She decides to stand on the porch and do like some sort of weird flailing exercise. I'm like, okay. I've never seen her before. And all of a sudden she shows up. Run, Forrest, run. Mm-hmm. And fanny pack had a little bit of lime green. The zipper was lime green. I've noticed that a lot. Everybody's backpacks are black with like lime green zippers. The manufacturers did that on purpose. It's part of the targeting, It's a worldwide phenomenon. So they gotta do it somehow. And just like that car right there, the inside seats are always black with like a red stripe in the middle. I've only seen Booty Bandit's brother. He's always got a scooter. Mostly he wears the camouflage pants. Whatever. There's a guy waiting over there. He passed by me. We passed by each other. Now he's stopping. He's just walking back and forth. Now he stops right as I'm filming that area. Here he comes. See? I guess he's smoking, but come on now. I thought I saw somebody riding their bike. Yeah, he's slow. It's good. I'm glad it's not a Voodoo Smurf. Hey, he's wearing camouflage though. Camouflage. Hello. Scratching your crotch too. That's a symbol too. I don't know what that means yet. But they gotta scratch their ass or their front of you. Yeah, the city bike too. Voodoo Smurf had one. He made it his own. Another day got the real one. This guy's gonna come back too. He's gonna scratch the paint off too. I'm not usually a snitch, but if you're gonna fuck around, you better find out. Somebody will snitch on your ass. I hope they do, and I hope I see it. I don't care if it's street theater. I will record that shit and laugh my ass off. And there's nobody out right there, right? Just that one guy right there. And they smoke too. They don't stand in one spot to smoke. They walk back and forth, talk on their phone. see the look on the face of the perp that just went by with the weird with the hat. He made a face at the family that just passed by me too. We were talking about him. Yeah. Oh, you know, just because I'm not gonna say anything to them doesn't mean somebody else won't. You know. Ah, there's traffic. So the guy in my neighborhood, he used to work with my old coworkers. I don't know if I didn't see him when I was working there. So he was around again today. Usually he was red and blue, or red and black. You know, usually just full gold chains everywhere. You know the ribbon? Yeah. That's because I'm talking on my phone. Yeah, the friggin' do weapons is telling him to do that shit. Whatever. They gotta try to shut me up in some way, right? So anyways, actually it works because I have no idea what I was about to say. Ugh, let me talk about this other stuff. These demons out here, these fucking perps. They got the VR headset, right? Now, they can do stuff to us when we're dreaming, when we're sleeping. One of them did something very sexual to me while I was sleeping. I woke up from it. Well, it was like, what the fuck was that? Who did that shit? That guy felt it happen. They did something with their mouth. I'm not gonna say what. But that's sick. They are sick in the fucking head. It's not even a patrolman smoke, it just sounds like him. Everybody's going to synagogue right now, so I can't really film too much of them. So, anyways. So yeah, so obviously they could astral project themselves into your dream. But that's why some of us are still single. They make us become single by sending us honeypots and we figure them out and all that stuff, right? And we stay single. If you stay single, they're gonna do dirty stuff to you while you're sleeping. They have that technology. Are those house slippers? Yeah, I'm not gonna stay out here too long because I want to finish cleaning and I gotta do some stuff. I gotta pack something. So annoying. I don't really have to pack it yet. We'll see. And I do have to do some chores. And then I'm ordering out for dinner. It's kind of like, it's like a lazy day. I really want to go in the backyard. My neighbor was back there 2 days in a row. And he likes to take decorations and flip them. The camera's not going to catch him. He evades the cameras at all costs. He knows when they're going to go on and off. So he does whatever the hell he wants to do back there. Not in his own backyard, in mine, though. He's got a nice backyard full of flowers. He could go in his backyard anytime he wants. And he could drink coffee there, or read the paper, do whatever. Nope, he decides, I'm going to go in their backyard and fuck with them. We don't have anything. Literally, all we got was weeds in our backyard because of him. And he found a way to put a spell on our backyard by going in there and touching stuff. That's how you do it. Who's this red car? I noticed all the perps too. When they pull up to Dunkin', they always block the crosswalk, and then they look at me and smile. I'm like, okay. Like, I don't give a fuck what they do. Oh, so my old coworker, that's right. So he wasn't my coworker when I was there. Nosy bitch. She's so nosy. Should I throw one little piece of garbage out? No, I'm definitely going back, yo. You know, like a nosy bitch. Oh, she was in the backyard too. I saw it on the camera. Wearing fucking jeans. It's 85 degrees right now. Are you kidding? I was surprised she changed her clothes. She's probably not wearing lime green. Yeah, it's my other neighbor now. The new people. Next door to the other people. Anyways, yeah, so the old neighbor, he walks around usually wearing red and black or red and blue. That's what I was trying to say. And I saw him today, and he never sits down. Like, he was sitting at the bench in front of the berry juice. He had a highlighter yellow shirt on. And he comes in to Dunkin', but he doesn't buy nothing. He just walks in and then asks a question and then leaves. Is he asking them for free food? I guess, right? Yeah, her husband's not home, I guess, because she's like coming out here to do stuff. But he tells her to do that stuff. Oh, look at this, Mexico. And then, I noticed some of the perps today were wearing USA shirts. They're trying to get me deported, I guess. I don't know. I was born here, so you really can't deport me. I wonder how that's going to work for you. It's like, it's funny. You could try, I'm an American citizen since birth, so good luck with that. Now we got people in one state, they only found out that they're eating people's pets. And they're taking ducks from the duck pond in this one area. They're cutting the heads off and then eating them. No, they're sacrificing them. They're basically sacrificing them. I can't say where they're from, but you look it up. It's the state of Ohio. People are doing stuff to animals. They're taking people's pets off from the yards. And they're taking the feral cats that are walking around. Cats without homes. They're probably feeding them first, too, making them think they could be trusted. And the cats realize, cats know. Dogs and cats, they know who's good or not. And they will attack you. So they probably like, I don't give a shit. I'm going to break your neck and do that. So, honestly, I don't think the cat that died in my backyard, I don't think a raccoon did it. I think they did it next door. Because they go in my backyard all the time. I think they did it because they're tired of the cats going in the backyard. And because I was talking to the guy upstairs, we used to both feed the cats. And because we talk to each other, he don't like him because he feeds the cats and the birds eat it and the poop goes all over the place. So probably they were trying to retaliate against us being, friendly with each other. And he decided, I'm going to get back at you. He took a cat. It was a kitten, too. It wasn't, a grown cat. It was a kitten. And then sliced the neck and then put it in the backyard. There was a little bit of blood, but not much. Because he keeps going back there. So I really do believe that he did it. The camera does not record when they do these things. It only records here on the front. So, they're going to get away with everything. I ordered Popeyes yesterday, a nice chicken sandwich with the fries and a Dr. Pepper. Nobody fucked with my order. And I know TIs, they have their food fucked with. I pray over my food anyway. Even before it comes, usually I pray for it to get here in time. And what I did was, my family came into the garage for a minute. And I told them just leave it open because the guy's coming. My bell, for some reason, I think it's like completely dead. My doorbell. So I'm going to have to ask an electrician to maybe replace it or something. You gotta make your dog bark right now? Yes, you do. Well, the sirens are coming too. I see all these distractions against me. It's fine. Tomorrow I have to go to the dry cleaners. It was ready on Friday. I couldn't do it. We got home from the grocery store, and then I took a shower. I was sweating to death. It was so hot in that grocery store. I mean, it just opened, but they could have left the air conditioner on a little bit. It used to be Stop and Shop, now it's Food Bazaar. And they were like, everything was too high in price. So we didn't even get a lot of stuff. I tried the new Captain Crunch Cinnamon. It is good. I love Captain Crunch. See, these perps are probably mad at me because I don't buy cereal as much as I used to. I buy the new ones when they come out, and then I take a picture of it, and then I don't buy it again. Because it's never on sale. They're never on sale. If it's on sale, I'll buy them, but I don't buy them every time I go to the store. There's bugs around here. There's like little gnats flying around right now. It's so annoying. And so that too, like they get these with the bugs, these monitoring spirits around us all the time. The witches and warlocks, they're doing that in their house, and they send the bugs your way too, because they don't clean, like, ever. Like, I had a bad back, so that's why I have somebody cleaning my house. But today I did a little cleaning myself, just a little Swiffering. And it goes a long way, because by the time the person comes, then they can help you out, you know what I mean, more. So, hey, how are you? He doesn't block the driveway anymore with his friend. Ever since that night, he realized I'm not the bad guy. It was him too. He was gang stalking. But his father and mother both say hi to me. So, and they don't like the neighbors. They don't like the assholes next door because they're not nice. So. So anyways, too bad the perps didn't really come out today. They could have stole my shirt. I'll wear it again. I'm definitely wearing it again. When fall comes, I'm wearing all camouflage. I just gotta look for camouflage shoes. And that's it. Only Ned Flynn just came today and go boy, that's it. They couldn't get any of the regulars today. I'm pretty sure Voodoo Smurf got a new job because he was dressed up like he was going for an interview, and he was like laughing at me when he walked past. But he's trying to get with me. He thinks I like him. He likes me. I don't like him. Always the weird whack jobs have to like me. I don't like him in that way at all. Why else besides gang stalking would he be obsessed like that? He's always here. He's the only one. He rides his bike 10 times a day around the corner, across the street, and here on this side. Just to catch a glimpse of me. Why now? That's stalking. That's extra stalking. That's already regular stalking. And then you put gang stalking in it. And he gets like money. He gets beer. He gets joints. He gets probably gets gift cards. I know he gets money. Because I saw a handler one day come to get money out of the ATM. It was a big fat envelope, and he got paid that day. He got paid in that envelope. And so hopefully everything he gets will fail at, because you know what? He's taken everything from me. He's done so much voodoo on me. He better get everything back. tenfold in Jesus Christ's name. You know, these people don't think that God watches everything they do. They're gonna get karma. It's exhausting to turn the other cheek, though, but somebody will get them. You know, they can't go this. They can't go too much longer without somebody beating the shit out of them. You know, they're gonna get tired of not doing much to me and me ignoring them. That they're gonna do something really bad to somebody, and that person's not gonna take it, and they're gonna beat the shit out of them. So, another fucking perp. They don't even have anything in those book bags. Stupid asses. Nothing is in those book bags they're walking around with. We gotta go.